Oh dear kids, welcome to Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids YouTube channel. I hope you all well today. I'm here with a new exciting story. So I hope you are gonna like it. If you like it, share it and subscribe the channel. So let's start. He was a small bird who lived alone in a big forest. He didn't have any friends and spent most of his time flying from tree to tree, singing his songs in solitude. The forest was full of other animals, birds. Jonty felt lonely. Every day, Jonty flew high up into the sky. He gazed the other birds gather and sing songs. Shivering around, Jonty wished he could be a part of the something like that. He felt sad and decided to stop singing for a while. The rain put down heavily. That day is a rainy day. Jyoti tried to fly through the rain, but the storm was too powerful. He couldn't see anything and felt scared. That is when he noticed a small bird caught in the wind, struggling to fly. Jyoti knew he had to help. With all his courage, he flew towards the struggling bird and called out, "Hold on, I'm here to help." Together they found a safe spot on the land under the tree and wait for the rain passes. The little bird thanks Jaunty. The rainstorm passes. The little bird who introduced herself as a lily said, "You saved my life. I'm so happy to have a friend like you." Jaunty smiled, feeling his heart warm. From that day, they spent their days together, flying through the skies and singing their songs. Also, they had a little beautiful home on a tree branch. Jyoti had a little friend named Lily. Jyoti was too happy and smiled anytime.